Friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anu. Salam, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, and how are all of you keeping? I hope all of y'all are healthy, safe, and taking good care of yourself. So this video today is going to be the unboxing of the Glam On kit by Sugar Cosmetics, my absolute favorite. I love the brand. I love everything that they have. And today I'm going to unbox the Glam On kit for you and share with you what I got. Big discounts, freebies, and good products your way. Wait and watch. So today's video is going to be the unboxing of this amazing Sugar Cosmetics Glam On Kit box that I had ordered a few days ago. About a week or 10 days ago, there was this offer happening at their own website called sugarcosmetics.com, and there was this offer of getting 5 things. You had to choose from the variety that they had offered for about 1299 only. And there was these crayon lipsticks, there was these liquid matte lipsticks, there was these masks, the cheat masks that they have. They had kajal pencils, they had blushers, they had their face serums. So I picked up 6 things out of it, and I shall show you what I had got. And they also gave me a free lipstick along with that. So I was very happy because everybody feels happy to get a free gift. So yes, I took on the offer and I shall show you people what I have got from them. So this Glam On kit was what I had ordered from the offer, and it contained a party bag. It's a lovely black blingy glittery party bag. It's got a chain strap, a golden chain strap. As you can see, it's got the brand mentioned, and it's a 1 compartment bag. Very nice quality, and the space is very good because you can keep your mobile, you can keep your accessory, you can keep your lipstick, maybe a small perfume when you're going out for any event, any party, as you can see. So yes, this is the nice party bag that they have offered in that offer that they had, which was called the Glam On kit. Very sturdy bag, very pretty, very stylish, glamorous, and elegant. Big enough for you to keep your things like your mobile, your makeup, your accessories when you're going out for a party, for a wedding, for a get together. Just the perfect thing, and it's got the brand mentioned also. Okay, so this was in it. Next thing that was in it was these cheat masks. As you can see, I had got 2. They have offered 2. There was a variety of 3 from which you can pick up. So I picked up a clarifying mask and I picked up an anti-aging mask. Okay, I shall tell you, we shall do a little bit of a hisab later on to tell you how much I actually saved in this offer. So these are 99 each otherwise. Next thing that I got for myself is this crayon lipsticks. As you can see, this is 04 and it's called Holly Golightly. This is a nice nude color, brick color, very pretty. Okay, I'll do a quick swatch for you. So this is the crayon lipstick which was in the offer also, and I got myself this Holly Golightly number 04, and it's a beautiful color. You can see the shade. It's a nice brick color. It's kind of a nude brick color, so beautiful, beautiful color. So this was the first that I got. Also got this lovely color. This is an amazing fuchsia pink color, and it's called Wine and Shine 08. But it's a liquid matte. It's a mini liquid matte, and the color is just amazing. I had seen this in a lot of people, and I was in absolute love with this color. You can see the color. Oh my goodness, it's so amazing. Okay, so this is the color. This was also in it. The fifth in the box is this amazing Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Black Magic Kajal pencils. Anybody who has been following me knows that I am in absolute love with Kajal pencils. I love them. I use them a lot, and we shall do a quick swatch of it. So this is for one of my very special subscribers, Pooja Sharma. This is for you. You had wanted to know how it would be, so I'm swatching it for you. I shall do another review about this later on, a separate video only on kajals. So this is the color. Nice pigmented. The best thing I liked about Sugar Cosmetics is that I always vouch for it and I always refer it, is the quality of things, whatever, whether it's a foundation, whether it's a lipstick, whether it's a kajal, whether it's a serum, primer, anything, nail polish, anything, the quality you just don't have to worry about. And the pigmentation is awesome. It's just awesome. That's the reason why I vouch for Sugar. Okay, the next that I got from, last thing that was there in this offer, 5 things, this offer called Glam On Kit, was this. There was a variety, but I chose this amazing Salmon Superstar. Yes, it's the mini blush. I'm liking it. Now I'll do a little bit of a color swatch for you. It's a very nice color. See. Can you see the color? See. Aha. So this is your lovely blush. It's a nice color of the salmon. Can you see it? Yeah. So these are the 5 things that I got in the Glam On Kit. Now, knowing Sugar, they know how to pamper their customers. So what they did was they gave me a lipstick free. So it's a full size, as you can see, 4.5 ml, Very Mulberry number 25 liquid lipstick. And it is Smudge Me Not. So these are those matte, amazing liquid lipsticks. And the color is, oh my goodness, can you see it? It's amazing. People who like dark pigmented colors, this is for you. Yes, it's a very deep color. It's like a combination of a red and a brown maybe, and chocolatey brown, reddish kind of a color, and it's amazing. I shall do a quick. So this is the color. This is the deep color, and this is what I got free in this offer. Now what I did was I had taken something else also in it. So separate. This is not in the offer, but I was looking out for this for a very long time. And this is the Drop the Base Serum Foundation, and it's number 42 glaze. Okay, so this I would do a video on this later. On this, on my kajal pencil, makeup, the other makeup things that I've got, I'll do another video on it. So this is what I got. They gave me something free also in it. So not only they gave me a pouch, cute pouch, and it says Rule the World. Nice. You can keep I can keep my gogs in this. Can you check this out? It's nice. I can keep my glasses in this. I also got a dual sharpener with this. This is not in the offer. This is what I got separate. So this is the Glam On Kit that I had got from Sugar Cosmetics. I was very excited to unbox it because I love this brand. I am an ardent fan of its products, and I thought I would share it with all of you. So whenever you get a time, do check in Sugar Cosmetics. They always have something on an offer. Utilize that. Now I'll do a quick hisab with you to tell you how much I actually saved in this offer. So I did a quick hisab for myself to see how much I actually saved in this offer of 1299, where they had asked me to select 5 things from what they had to offer, and I have written it down about what I have got and how much I have saved. So I'll go with all the products. The first thing that I got from them is this Smudge Me Not liquid mini lipstick that is there. This was 1.1 ml. There were about 4 or 5 colors that I could choose from. As I showed you all, I chose Wine and Shine. This is actually for 249. Okay. Second thing that I got from there is this mini blush. Okay. So this is Salmon Superstar number 04, and it's for 349. All right. The third thing I got from there is this crayon lipstick. It's called Matte as Hell crayon lipstick. It's called Holly Go Lightly, and it's number 4. It's 899. Otherwise, if you buy a separate piece of this, it's for 899. Yes. And the Kajal pencil that I got from them, the heavy duty Kohl Black Magic 05, it's for 499. Yes, it's for 499. And I got these cheat masks, the face mask that they had, and these are for 99 each otherwise, you know, so it's about 100 each. I also got this purse, okay, this party bag. So if I do a hisab of all these things, it will come to 2196. If I would have bought this separately without the offer, it would be 2196. I got it on an offer for 1299. So what is the amount that I saved? Approximately 900 bucks. And what I also got is this amazing Very Mulberry 4.5 ml liquid lipstick free. Yes. So it was a good buy. All in all, it was a good offer, and I thought I would share it with you all, so that whenever you all get a chance, if you're interested in buying cosmetics, check out Sugar Cosmetics, the website. There's always things in offer. Go and get it. Avail it, because not only will you like the product, they are cruelty free, they are paraben free, and they are nicely pigmented. Whatever that they have, it's a beautiful color that they have to offer. Quality is top class, and you don't have to worry about the product at all. With this, I come to the end of this video. I had a ball of a time, a gala time, unboxing my goodies of Sugar Cosmetics with you all, with my lovely subscribers, my friends, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give in your likes and do comment. Let me know which one you like the best among all that I got, and tell me what you feel about it. If you have any questions, do write it down. I would love to answer you. And subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so that when you get to know me putting on such amazing videos, you can have a peep into it first. It's for you people. Yes. And I hope that you have a lot of fun this Sunday, this weekend. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe. Stay cool. Stay beautiful. And I love you all. Bye-bye.